Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by installing Google Drive for desktop and signing into your Google account. First, open the installer and move the app to Applications. This ensures Mac OS treats it as an app you trust. Once installed, launch Drive and sign in with your Google credentials. Make sure to choose whether to mirror folders or stream files to save local disk space. This choice affects performance and offline access. Finally, accept the permission prompts in System Settings so Drive can integrate with Finder and run smoothly. Once Drive is signed in, configure sync behavior and Finder integration. Choose Stream to keep files in the cloud and reduce local storage, or Mirror to download everything for offline use. Pick what fits your workflow. Then open Drive Preferences and add Drive to the Finder sidebar so you can drag and drop files directly. Also set upload/download bandwidth limits if your network is congested, and enable selective sync for specific folders. These steps let you balance speed, storage, and convenience without surprises. To complete setup, confirm files are syncing and showing correct status icons in Finder. Green check means local, cloud icon means online only. If you find version conflicts, open the file on Drive. Google. Com to compare edits and either merge changes or rename duplicates. This avoids overwriting important work. If Drive stops syncing, restart the app and your Mac. Then recheck privacy settings and update both Mac OS and Google Drive to the latest versions. This one troubleshooting step, permissions and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.